those other shit.
Every now and then I do. It's not really
I know,
bad.
like,
It's like basically
her
like a
mom
fucking
has one.
computer.
Her sisters got one. They had the deal. They bought one, got one free. And she said last night she said it was running slow. You have to do some shit. And then
Tell you what though, for having to reboot it every now and then, it's worth it. Oh yeah.
I think about getting that rock, but they had it for 8 out now. She wants to get that iPad or whatever the fuck it's called now.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
You okay? You're good. It's gonna be a little rough. Woo! That was a rough. Told you it's hitting that fucking tree. You fucking decent. Shut up. I was gonna take it off. I should have it on. It's only got 3 bolts in it. And it bounced like, boom! I had to do a clamp on the back. Oh my God. Keep your arm in the door so when it goes over, you don't lose it.